It may be because it's only 1 inch thin, or weighs just 5.3 pounds. It may be because it has a 15.2-inch screen, or is supercomputer fast. It may be because it's made out of titanium. But, whatever it is, geez, you're just going to so want one. The incredibly thin, ultralight, mega-wide screen, titanium portable supercomputer.
Bien avant l'iPhone 15 Pro, la matière titane fut utilisée pour un Mac. Et oui, il y a maintenant 22 ans, en 2002, sortait le Powerbook G4, surnommé affectueusement le T-Book. Il était un changement radical dans le design. Alors que ses prédécesseurs utilisaient un boîtier en plastique noir tout en rondeur, le Powerbook G4 vient dans un boîtier métallique fait en titane à 99,5%. Sobre, ultra fin, all-in strict. Il était le premier ordinateur portable à intégrer un écran 15 pouces, qui de plus est au format panoramique. La fermeture-ouverture de son écran se fait par un petit aimant qui s'attache à la coque et se situe juste en dessous du trackpad. Avec ses 500 MHz et son disque dur de 20 Go, ses 512 de mémoire vive, c'est presque 15 pouces borderless déjà pour l'époque par rapport à mon MacBook de maintenant. Franchement, c'est pas ridicule. Le son était très prenant. Par exemple, les haut-parleurs disséminés à gauche et à droite du clavier sortent en stéréo, parfaitement clair et fort, mais pour le peu que vous regardiez un DVD ou que vous jouez à Quake 3 en mettant le son à fond après 22 heures, c'est limite si vous pourriez être accusé de tapage nocturne. Pour le reste, 8 mégas de mémoire vidéo pour couvrir une ATI Rage Mobility et du coup la résolution est de 1152 par 768 pixels. Donc il y avait aussi d'autres versions qui avaient beaucoup plus en résolution, mais c'était jusqu'en 2004 de mémoire. Il pèse 2,4 kg, ce qui fait un beau bébé. Il est un peu encombrant, mais sinon l'ancienne machine d'Apple, elle n'a pas à rougir par rapport aux ordinateurs portables d'aujourd'hui. En essayant d'augmenter la luminosité de l'écran, par contre, je constate qu'elle est déjà au maximum. Le moi d'aujourd'hui trouve cela un peu sombre, mais on peut quand même travailler ainsi. À l'époque, c'était déjà très bien. Son prix était de 2499 $. Maintenant, ça fait très très mal. Le Powerbook Titanium fut remplacé par le Powerbook G4 15 pouces en septembre 2003. Ce qui changeait, c'était surtout la matière. Parce que le choix du matériau titane, malheureusement, il a eu des déboires par la suite, car il avait tendance à s'écailler. Du coup, maintenant, tous les autres Powerbook et MacBook par la suite seront en aluminium. Et pour un certain MacBook, dont on verra plus tard le cas, il était aussi en plastique. En tout cas, j'espère que cette histoire vous a plu. Merci d'avoir suivi l'histoire de cette antiquité. Et puis je vous dis à la prochaine. Ciao.
But they have the sex, right? They have the sex. We want both. We want both, the power and the sex, right? So today we're introducing a totally new Powerbook. It's got the power. 500 megahertz G4, our first G4 Powerbook ever. If that's not enough, this next one's going to blow your mind. 15.2-inch mega-wide screen. Built-in DVD. 5-hour battery life. Airport ready. So these are the kind of power features you'd expect from us. Firewire ports, etc., etc. All that stuff. But what about the sex? Sitting down? 1 inch thick. 1 inch thick. 5.3 pounds. And this again. What is this? Titanium. It's made out of titanium. like the spy planes. This is an incredible material. It's stronger than steel, yet lighter than aluminum. It's unbelievable. And this isn't, you know, IBM's talked about titanium, but they just throw a little titanium powder into their plastic. It's nothing. This is real commercial grade titanium metal, like they build airplanes out of. Titanium. We think we got the power and the sex in our new Powerbook G4 Titanium. And as you can see, I'd like to show it to you. This thing's pretty remarkable. Ready? Voila. Got video here? There we go. This is it. It is remarkable. Let me open it here. Look at this. It's incredible. Let me just show you how thin this is. That's my finger. Okay? Why don't you go down and show them the side? Look at this thing. It's unbelievably beautiful. You and about 1 billion other people. This thing is incredible. Here's the DVD slot load drive in the front that you can see. Yeah, it's very nice. 15.2-inch mega wide screen. Unbelievable. An inch thick. That's it. We've been working on this for a while. And let me show you this way. Unbelievable mega wide screen. So, let me show you a little bit more. Because we've got a TV ad we've been working on. So let me scooch this out of the way here. And the best way to show you is just to show you this new ad, I think. Let's roll it.
It may be because it's only 1 inch thin, or weighs just 5.3 pounds. It may be because it has a 15.2-inch screen, or is supercomputer fast. It may be because it's made out of titanium. But, you know, whatever it is, geez, you're just going to so want one. The incredibly thin, ultralight, mega-wide screen, titanium portable supercomputer.
So we got a totally new design from the ground up. It's 1 inch thin. It's just really wonderful. This screen is so unbelievable. 15.2-inch mega-wide screen. The border around that screen is unbelievably thin. When you move your cursor up to the edge, you're afraid it's going to fly off. And the screen is gorgeous. Full-size keyboard. Best keyboard we've ever shipped on a portable. Slot load DVD. So you don't have that tray coming out and you're knocking your cup off the tray under your lap in the airplane. And as you can see, we turn the logo around, so when it opens, the logo's right side up. So now, let's take a look at the back. We got a door here with all our connectors on, FireWire, USB, VGA video out, S video out, 100 megabit per second Ethernet, IRDA, everything's on there. And on the bottom, we've got a battery, 5-hour battery life off this one removable battery. It's unbelievable. We have airport antennas built into both sides for incredible airport range. Powerbook G4. The new Powerbook G4. 2 models. They both share a G4 processor, 1 megabyte of L2 cache, Rage Mobility 128 graphics, the fastest graphics going in portables, 8 megabytes of graphics memory, 2 USB ports, a FireWire port, Ethernet, modem, airport, VGA, S-video, 4 and 500 megahertz. Both share the 15.2-inch screen, 128 megabytes and 256 megabytes, 10 and 20 gigabyte drives, configurable up to 30 if you want to do a BTO. Slot load DVD in both of them, $25.99, $34.99. The new Powerbook G4 is macOS 10 ready. It's fully configured and certified. When can I get one? We are in the production ramp right now. We will be shipping in a few weeks, and you can get one by the end of January. Now, where do we stand on power and sex? Well, for power, let's look at Final Cut Pro. It's a really good power app. It runs beautifully on this machine. It takes full advantage of the mega-wide screen. It's unbelievable. It is the ultimate portable video editing studio. But how does it compare to its predecessor? Because of the new architecture and the G4 chip, Final Cut Pro runs 60% faster on the new Powerbook G4 than on its predecessor. Much faster. A lot of power. The fastest notebook in the world. But let's go back to the sex. How do we compare not just to other notebooks, because we obviously toast them, but to sub-notebooks like the Sony Vaio? Sub-notebooks that are not designed to have built-in drives or big screens or run for 5 hours. They make those compromises to be thin and sexy. So how do we compare to those? Well, let's take a look. Most popular Vaio, $2,549. It's $50 cheaper. Let's see what $50 can buy. Number one, a dramatically bigger screen, from 12.1 to 15.2. How much bigger is that? Well, that's the Vaio screen. Right there. And if you calculate it, ours is 52% larger. 52% is what it buys you. Well, my God, there must be an error on this slide. No, there is not. The new Powerbook G4 is thinner than the Vaio sub-notebook. Unbelievable. They are 15% thicker than the new Powerbook G4 at 1.15 inches thick for the Vaio. And of course, they're made out of last year's material. They have a P3 running at 650. We totally toast them with our G4. They have no optical drive. For $50 less, they have none, not even a CD, none. We have a slot-load DVD built in. Battery life, 5 hours versus 2 hours. And no wireless options. Powerbook G4 is wireless ready, just pop in an airport card. So, some people think this is the sexiest portable around. We don't anymore. We think the new PowerMac G4 is absolutely where it's at for power and sex. New Powerbook G4 Titanium. So, we made a video about the Powerbook, and let me go ahead and run it now.